Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my orange creamsicle pie. So let's get started. So I have one 9-inch graham cracker ready crust pie, or you can make your own pie shell. I have one 6-ounce Jello, and it's orange. I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. To this I'll add a half a cup of powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla. I'll mix it until it forms a soft peak, and then I'll add in the Jello and then mix it. To the 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, I'll add in the half a cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll eyeball it. Now I'll mix this until it forms a soft peak. There's my soft peak, so now I'll add in my Jello, which is 6 ounces. So I'll just take the mixture, pour it in. Now I'll mix this in and mix it until it forms a stiff peak. I'll scrape down my side. There's my stiff peaks. So now I'll just take this mixture and put it in my pie crust. Now that my mixture is well combined, I'm scraping the sides, making sure everything's mixed good. I'll place this mixture in my graham cracker crust. Just fill in the sides. I'm smoothing out the top. And this is what I call my orange creamsicle pie. It's quick and easy. Now that it's all smoothed out, I'll place it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then slice into it. It's good. So into the fridge it goes. My pie's been in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now I'll slice into it and give it a try. Look at how good that looks. The pie came out great. So now I'll give it a try. And this is a no-bake too. Really tastes great. Deserves a second bite. This is really tasty. It tastes just like a creamsicle. Very good. Well, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my no-bake creamsicle pie. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.